For months, we've tracked the patents, dissected the blurry images, and doubted every rumor. But the leaks are now undeniable, and they point to a camera that is not just an update, but a complete, aggressive overhaul. Canon didn't just listen to the hybrid shooter community, they built a weapon. Forget the R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is the camera Canon held back, the one designed to aggressively challenge Sony's dominance in video and deliver a stills experience that rivals flagship models at twice the price. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't a photography camera with video features. This is a mini Cinema EOS camera crammed into an R6 body. Are you ready for the deep, unsettling truth about the camera that will change your workflow forever? Because what's inside the R6 Mark III will make you question the value of every other camera on the market. Let's begin with the heart of the machine. The R6 Mark III is rumored to ditch the 24-megapixel sensor of its predecessor and step up to a formidable 32 or 34.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. This is not a number chosen at random. This is the sweet spot. It gives still shooters the significant crop factor and detail they need, while still allowing the camera to oversample video with staggering efficiency. This new sensor is rumored to be the same one found in Canon's specialized Cinema EOS C50, a clear signal that the R6 Mark III is built for serious production work. But the real story is speed. With a blistering 40 frames per second electronic shutter, the Mark III essentially eliminates the need for mechanical shutters in all but the most specialized situations. Combine that speed with its huge resolution, and you have a camera that captures decisive moments with a clarity that is simply unmatched at this price point. This is where Canon drops the mic. The R6 Mark III is rumored to offer internal 7K RAW recording in Open Gate 3:2 format. Let that sink in. This isn't just high resolution, it's the professional workflow holy grail. Open Gate means the camera captures the entire height of the sensor. For modern creators who shoot for TikTok, Reels, YouTube, and traditional cinema, this is a revolutionary feature. You can shoot one clip and recrop it later for vertical 9:16, cinematic 2.39:1, and standard 16:9, all from the same source file, without losing essential detail. Furthermore, the leaks confirm 12-bit cinema raw light and the inclusion of Canon Log 2 and Log 3 profiles. These are features previously locked away in cameras costing 5 figures. The R6 Mark III isn't just capable of high-resolution video, it delivers cinema-grade quality and color grading flexibility. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 is already incredible, but the Mark III is rumored to give it a brain transplant. The new system is rumored to feature a massive increase in processing power dedicated solely to tracking, allowing it to store up to 100 subject faces in memory. More importantly, it brings the flagship-level AI subject detection from the R3, recognizing people, animals, and vehicles with near-flawless accuracy, even in rapidly changing lighting conditions. But the real workflow killer is the pre-capture function. Ever miss the moment because your reaction was half a second too slow? Pre-capture continuously buffers images before you fully press the shutter, letting you grab the few milliseconds that happened right before the action. For sports, wildlife, and street photographers, this one feature alone justifies the upgrade. Canon listened to the pros who